Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinwe here. How you all doing? I am so sorry that I have not been very consistent, and that's because I got a new place and I've been trying to set it up, put it in order, as you can see from the background. Okay, so I'm still working on it actually, so from time to time you'll be seeing one or two improvements, so bear with me. Thank you so much for your understanding. I was like, let me come out today and do something. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that when there's an upload, you'll be the first to get it. Okay, so today's video is on pink makeup glam. I love pink a lot, and you're going to be watching how I achieved this look. Okay, and it's also a hair transformation, hair and makeup transformation as well. You're gonna be seeing how I had to arrive at styling my hair like this. It's not really much, but you'll see what I did. Okay, so you watch the video and I trust that you would love it. I'll see you soon again. Bye. Okay, I started by losing my hair. Yes, and after losing my hair, I had to just comb it out and then apply my castor oil. Yes, castor oil is one of my favorites in terms of taking care of my natural hair. And next is the shea butter. These are my regulars. Yes, it makes my hair very soft and really easy to comb. And then I went on to style it, and I started by using the pins, normal black hair pins. I simply just brush it down to the shape I want it to form or assume, and I pin it, and I just do that, brush it upwards with my palms, and then I just pin it round to give me the shape I want. So that's just it, and I do same on the other side, brush it down with my hands and I pin it down, and I'm gonna do same at the back as well. So basically that's just how I styled the hair. It's very easy. So next you just pat it into the shape you want. Just pat it in, and that's it. And then I finish up by using the castor oil and I apply it to my edges, and castor oil makes my hair dark and also helps with hair growth. This particular video was requested, so that's it. Okay, so I'm going to start by prepping my face, and I'm using this Zekel Photo Fix primer. Pond's, okay, Pond's primer. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, Pond's. So next I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and the shade is Fawn. Because of my spots, I always do this. So next is my foundation, and this is Flawless Ivy, and the shade is Honey 600. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I have a video on how to apply foundation, so you can go check it out. I'm using my brush. To spread it out. Okay, so blending is key. So I'm still going to take it down to my neck. My beauty blender. to just push it in. Using my Q10 concealer for highlighting. I also have a video on contour and highlighting, so you can check that out as well. Next is contouring, and I'll be doing the cream contouring today, and I'm using the LA Girl concealer, and this shade is Dark Cocoa. Okay, so my nose is looking snatched already. Yeah. Next, I'm going to set the contour, and I'll be using this palette, this powder palette from Blossom Makeup. Yes. I'll be using this one. I love this palette a lot here, so I'm just going to do over my forehead as well. My nose as well. Yes, I'm using the benign setting powder to set my face. It's eyeshadow time, and I'll be using this Juvia's Place palette, the Warrior palette, and I'm going to begin with this, and so it's Cano. Okay, so next I'll be using this Menow. and this is my eyeshadow primer, and this one is from Classic. So next I'm going to be using Benin, that's this shade here. This is the lashes, and this one is from Sunnez. Yes, Sunnez. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using today. To be using my eyeliner, and this one is from Case Beauty. It's Superfine. Oh wow, you see how sharp it's looking? Oh yes. Pencil, I use it for my lip as well. As a lip pencil actually, but I'm going to use it to light up my eyes. So I'm just going to line in it. Wow, now you can see the effect. Okay, using this Menow. Okay, just to line in my under eye. So I'm going to dust off the setting powder now. I'm just going to apply this finishing powder, chestnuts. Lip gloss, and this one is from Menow. Okay, so my highlighter, this one. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, and then I'm going to use my mascara. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, I love pink a lot. This is beautiful. So that is it, and I think I'm just going to apply my blush from Juvia's Place palette. Okay, and I'm using Cano. Okay, as my blush. Wow, this is beautiful. So wow. Okay, so that is it for the look, and I hope you love it. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's going to mean the world to me. Do not forget to click on the notification bell so that when there's an update, you'll be the first to get it. Do not forget to like, comment, and share as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.